Guys, it's Casual One coming at you today with a new video. This is an unboxing video for Finding Dory. Disney's PIXAR'S Finding Dory. So this comes out tomorrow, November 15th. There's a spine. I pre-ordered this from the Disney Club and it came today. And there's the back right there. So we're going to go over to the couch and I'm going to do the unboxing and get ready. And here we go. Alright guys, we back over here. Here's the slip. It's out of the slip now. And now we take the wrapper off. And we open this up. And let's see. There's my code, which I'm keeping. Yeah, they put them in now, these plastics, which is pretty cool. I like that. That's what it looks like inside there. Nice, nice. And let's see what we get done with this. Love the artwork. Little insert. Advertisement: get 4 Disney movies for just $1. That's to join the club. Pretty cool. Club's cool. So let's see. We got. Let's see. Do you think we got crustiness? Disney usually don't do crustiness. So I'm feeling 2 discs underneath here. So this is actually weird. So this is the movie. Is that the Blu-ray? That's the Blu-ray. Yeah, okay. That's the Blu-ray. It's kind of hard to look and see. So this, I think, is a special feature bonus. Yeah. Okay. So that's the bonus disc. This is the movie feature, and this must be the DVD. Yep, DVD. Pretty cool. So we got 3 disc set. Let me see. Let me get that out of there again. So 3 disc set. Picture's a little different DVD than Blu-ray. You can see. It's got your characters on this side versus this side. It's a little different, as you can see. Artwork's cool on that. Artwork's cool on this. And the bonus feature, I like that. Pretty cool. Alright, so let's get to the bonus extras, all the goods. So this comes out tomorrow, guys, on the 15th. And I haven't seen this yet, but I heard it's really good. And it's I believe it's the all-time #1 animated movie now. That's what I heard. Comment down below if you guys know that. I'm pretty sure it is. It made a ton load at the box office. Yeah, there it goes right there. The biggest animated movie of all time. Yep. But I read that online somewhere, so. But there it is there on the box. So yeah, that was the unboxing, guys, for Finding Dory. Comes out tomorrow. If you guys like this unboxing, give me a comment down below. Give me a like. If you're new to this channel, hit that sub button. To all my subscribers, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. And as always, guys, Blu-ray-ness is awesomeness. Until next time, guys.